decorations.
Look what we have on the table.
Snowballs! You're just joking. We're gonna use these cotton wool balls to make a Christmas mask. Let's get everything back.
It's so high. Go fastest. No, I'm so fast.
Look how much I got.
I finished first. No. No. Thank you. Okay.
We're going to show you
A sneak preview
of what will we do in this video. Look, for 5 seconds. You will need,
as we already know, cotton wool balls,
red paper,
scissors, but be careful,
a paper plate,
glue,
a lollipop stick,
and the red marker.
and a glue stick.
Daniel, I literally just said it.
The first thing is we have to take a paper plate. Do you see this circle here? We have to trace it with a pen.
Oh no, I went out of it. Perfect.
And now
Guys,
you have to draw a line in the middle. Now we only have to cut 1/2 of the circle. You have to fold it in half. So you can see one line. And now you have to cut one of the side. Ask your parents if you need to. And then you open it and there you go. Mask is ready.
how am I meant to do it?
Recap how to cut the paper plate. First, you have to fold that like this.
Oh.
And now you have to cut only one side of this.
As Danny said, if you need help, ask your parents. It's time for Santa's Christmas hat. But we have to cut it in a triangle shape.
We are artists.
Oh, I forgot. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Daniel and Julie Wonderlab.
So now we have to cut the triangle out. Try and cut it straight. And there is my hat.
And Danny is a bit not straight, but great job. Let me cut now. I'm a real artist.
Yes. Do you know there are lots of better artists than you?
Yeah. Name them for me, Danny.
Picasso.
Here's another one. I know.
Miro.
Miro. Guys, for our hat, we can put the pom-pom at the top, so it's going to look like a Christmas.
We have to stick our hat on the top like this. And now let's stick it on. There we go. If you want, you can add one of your snowball on top.
Beep, 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 beep,
Let me get a
beep.
small one, look.
I want to grab this one. It's so tiny.
Look at it.
Mine is sticking.
Let's attach lots of them here.
That's a great idea, Danny.
Look how I'm going to do. I'm going to put
It
glue
doesn't
here.
stick.
And then I'm going to stick these on here. Like
It
that.
does not.
Yay! My Christmas hat is ready.
Wait for me a second. I just need to finish here. Now we have to do Santa Claus beard.
I tell you a tip. Cover the whole thing in glue and then put your snowballs on.
Danny, did you send your letter to Father Christmas?
Yes.
Oh, I have something. Did you know at Christmas Day, the 25th of December, we have lots of gifts, and on that day, it was Jesus Christ's birthday. So every year we celebrate his birthday.
Julie, why do you like Christmas?
I like Christmas because you get lots of gifts.
And you can stay with your family.
Yes. That's the best
And
thing.
friends.
And then, after it, 6 days, at the 31, there's going to be the New Year's Eve, and there's going to be a countdown. It started right now. I better...
There we go. His beer is done. There we go. Just right in the middle.
It's time for my Santa Claus nose. Now we're going to attach the lolly stick. So let's turn around our mask.
Instead of using glue, you can use some tape.
Guys, you can see if there are no eyes because I'm going to be the Santa Claus eyes.
Okay, so I'm sticking my lolly stick. It has to be very secure because this is very heavy.
Yeah, because this is the most heaviest thing.
Our Santas are ready. Oh, it's finally Christmas. Hi, little girl. Have you been good this year?
Of course, because I'm Santa. For the second Christmas decoration, you will only need
An A4 green paper that we already cut in 4 pieces.
also sequences.
We have to grab 2 green cards and then we have to trace a Christmas tree on them.
2 and 3. Now you have to put one paper on top of the other.
And cut both of them up together.
So then after you have 2 Christmas trees the same size. Christmas trees are ready and they're beautiful.
So now we have to cut both Christmas tree in half, but this Christmas tree will be from here to here. And this one will be from here to here because you can even draw a little mark with your pen to remember where the middle is. Okay, let's do my first one. And then my second one.
Okay, so do I need to do it from here to up? Okay, shall we try?
Okay.
We should have used the thicker one, but it doesn't matter.
Oh my god. This is amazing.
Guys, how comes mine isn't?
Mine is a perfect tree.
So what we need, sequences.
And the glue stick. I tell you a tip. To get these 2 apart, put glue stick and stick the sequences on.
Yes.
Okay, let's get the tip in action.
These are our Christmas trees. Mine is so glittery.
Mine's a bit more classic. Now I'm ready for another one.
Our third Christmas decoration. We are going to make a Christmas wishing card.
You will need a square piece of colored paper,
Then he's using yellow and I'm using green.
a glue stick,
Buttons.
and a pen.
So first, you need to put the buttons on your colored paper.
And stick them with your glue stick.
Yes. I love buttons. Let's put this one. Oops. Okay.
Do you know why those buttons are there? Because they are Christmas balls. So now we have to draw a string with our pen.
And then when you arrive to the bottom, you have to do a tiny bow.
Okay.
I'm on my last one. I will have to write Merry Christmas or Happy Christmas.
In a very fancy way. Christmassy way. You can even write, I wish you a Merry Christmas, like I'm going to do.
I'm going to write Merry Christmas.
Christmas cards are ready. Look at them, they're so nice. You can add lots of accessories like glitter. You can add messages to someone. You can even write a message behind. Just did an example of this to show you how easy it is to make a Christmas card like this.
For our fourth activity, you will need
double-sided tape, very soft,
a red pom-pom,
3 lollipop sticks,
googly eyes,
a pair of scissors, glue, and the leftover pieces of the green paper from the Christmas tree we made, and
a black marker.
First thing to do is to form a letter A with your ice lolly sticks.
Like this.
And then you have to stick them together with double-sided tape. And we are done. Guys, try to guess what we have done. I'm going to give you some clues. A pom-pom goes here and googly eyes go here.
Reindeer! Or we can call it Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
So now we have to stick 2 googly eyes over here, right under the stick.
Right here.
Okay.
Right over here, so cute.
Be very.
Danny, he seems like he's so upset.
There you go.
Our reindeers are nearly done. Now we just need some green decorations. I cut some lovely leaves from this green paper.
Like I did now. You can even stick them in on your reindeer.
Shall we show them?
Yes, we present
you.
our reindeers. Mine's called Harrison.
Mine's called Molly. Hi Harrison, are you ready for a Christmas day?
Yes, I'm gonna write my name on my head. Harrison. Harrison.
I'm gonna write Molly. Hello Harrison.
Hello Molly, how are you?
I'm great. Guys, we hope you enjoyed our Christmas decoration tutorial. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and bye!